Alright, hi.
So, this is Altomash, Sai, and Dheeraj, and today we're going to be playing Lemonade Stand.
This game is a game that's used for education, and it's quite fun. We tried playing it. So, yeah, let's do it. Alright, so we're starting a new game. Yes.
In this small time. Okay, so let's type yes.
And then three people. Me, Dheeraj, and Altomash. Okay, then, well, basically, we have to make the decisions on how many glasses of lemonade to make, how many advertising signs, and what price each glass is going to be. So we start with $2. So let's go. So the profits are the difference between the income from sales and your expenses. So basically, we need to keep track of our assets and try to make money, and we can't spend more than we have. Basically, this game teaches people how to spend money properly in like businesses and things.
Yeah, it's a business.
All right, so day one, this is my
It's a hot and dry day, so this is Sai's going to be going first. He has Lemonade Stand 1, as you can see.
So we're going to try to make 25, and then I'll make 2 advertising signs. You know, I'm only going to make 1, actually no 2. And then price, I'm going to try 13 cents. And I don't want to change anything. So now that was me. Now Dheeraj is going to go. Lemonade Stand 2 is Dheeraj.
I'll do 27 glasses of lemonade. Yeah.
2 more than me.
How many? I'll do 2 advertising signs. And so then what I'll do now is, I think I'll do 15 cents per glass. Nope.
Now Altomash is going to go.
So, I think
I didn't realize it was multiplayer.
I
played this when I was a kid, and whoa,
Mine didn't change.
maybe.
So I'm gonna do 30 glasses of lemonade. I'm gonna make 30. I'll put up 2 advertising signs. You know what? Put up 3. And 16 cents. Just 1 cent more than Dheeraj. And no, I don't want to change anything.
All right. So day 1, I made $2.45, so that's me. I have a lot of money now. And then Dheeraj made $2.31, so he made a bit less than me.
Yes.
And then Altomash made less than all of us. All right, so to continue, let's go. So lemonade stand. It's hot and dry. All right, so I'm gonna do a solid 30 glasses, 2 advertising signs, and I think I'm gonna do 14 this time.
Now, question for you guys while you're playing. So, are you doing any kind of calculations to think about how much you're spending at this time? Like, in other words, just look at it for a minute. How much are you spending this round?
So, 60. 60 cents for making the glass. Sai's spending 60 cents on the lemonade.
30 cents on advertising signs.
Okay.
And yeah.
So now Dheeraj's turn.
And what did you put for the price that time? 14 cents?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think I'll do, 28 glasses. 2 advertising signs. And same as last time, 15 cents per each. And no.
All right, Altomash's turn.
I'll do 25. 2 advertisements and 15.
It's a business decision.
I think I'll make it 10 cents, so a bit more people will be
Inclined to buy yours.
we'll try to buy mine. I don't know how it'll go though. Might be a bad decision.
Here we go. So I made $2.46.
$2.29.
So a bit less than me, and also
Oh my god.
So now, question there too, because Altomash charged 10 cents. So the most you could have made for if you sold all 25, which you did, how much money did you make? Or how much did you bring in?
So if each glass,
That means you only brought in like $1.20.
Well, now look, 25 glasses sold at 10
Yeah.
cents a glass. So how much income came in?
$2.05. I mean,
What's that?
$2.50.
Yep. And how much did it cost you in expenses this time?
80 cents.
Okay, so no matter what, the most you could have made that time, which you did, was 170. So it's just interesting to think about that.
Yeah.
So
I
I
think I'm gonna
set
spend
a lower standard for yourself.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe in your case.
If I made a bit more glasses, then
Maybe you would have lost.
I could have overcome.
All right,
Yep.
so
Yep.
no
agree with
free
that.
sugar anymore. 70% chance of light rain, and it's really cold today. So today,
Ooh.
I'm gonna sell like
And
5
now
lemonade,
the cost of lemonade went up.
Oof.
5 glasses. Why not?
So you're going
So now you're
safer.
spending 20 cents on.
And then I'm gonna
Lemonade,
make
so.
like 1, and then 10 cents.
So wait, let's just think about it again for a second. How much is the most you can make this time?
Well, I can only make.
So if you sell all of it,
Well,
the
it's-
most
so
you
you
can
can only
bring
make
in is
50
how much?
cents.
Yeah, I can only make 50 cents.
Okay, bring in 50 cents. How much are you definitely spending this round?
Oh, I'm definitely spending 20 cents plus 1 sign,
45
so
cents.
45 cents. So I'm not
So
gonna.
you're
Make,
only gonna make 5
Well,
cents
what's
after most.
20 plus 30 plus 15? Or did you have to pay for the 20 plus
Signs,
15, right?
signs.
oh, wait, that's true. I wouldn't make anything.
So
So
you're
I'm
gonna
gonna
make, like-
change some stuff. I'm gonna say 3 glasses, 0 signs, and 10 cents.
Okay.
Just give away like free.
So, nope. And now, dear register.
All right, give it a shot.
so I think.
And
I'll
after
do-
this round, let's talk about the game a little bit and
Yeah.
some ideas about other games and or what they could do or things like that.
This is just a business, really. It's like
Yeah.
it's like a business game.
Well, the great part about this game is it's fun to compete against your friends and see like who makes the most money and things like that. And at the same time, it'll teach you about like say you want to be an entrepreneur. When you grow up, you have to make smart investments and be smart with what you buy. So
Do 12 cents.
it's definitely a learning experience at the same time as having fun.
So 15 times 4 is equal to 60. So I'll make about 60. So that will cost me 75 cents. And then if I sell everything, then yeah, I'll make profit. So
Just trying to make profit on a cloudy day.
anything.
Okay.
So I'll watch
So
This will be an interesting end to it
It's
too. 'cause
cloudy
this'll-
day.
We'll see who's. I mean, how many days does it say the game goes on if you go all the
4.
way through?
I think 4.
It's a few.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Did you play all the way through last time?
it's only
No.
10 glasses.
I'm pretty sure there's a heat wave round after. So it's fun.
Well, you don't know that for
Zero.
sure.
That's what it was.
I think
there
it's
last time.
random.
Yeah. So.
0 signs. And okay, well, so I'm spending 40 cents,
You
and
can
the
make
most I can make is a dollar. If I sell everything, I'll make $1. Yeah, profit.
We'll see what happens. I'm kind of shaking
All right,
at
let's
me.
see it now.
So I made
Ooh,
18
you only made
cents.
18 cents.
I mean, at least I made something.
Yeah.
You had made 21.
So I made more.
Oh,
Yeah.
50
Also-
cents.
So who has the most right now?
I think I still have the most money. Though.
Okay.
Okay, so it's hot and
So-
dry once again now.
So go ahead and play this round, but let me just ask you a couple of questions while you're doing it.
Yeah.
So what classes do you think this game would be?
Math, definitely math, because it teaches you like a bit like less advanced math, like maybe like 3rd or 2nd grade math, because this is just adding and it's adding and subtracting, and
I'm getting some multiplication in there, but still might be.
oh well,
second,
yeah,
third.
multiplication too.
So I think I'll do something
Yeah.
something similar to last time.
Until this round, I was the richest. I had over $7. Like
And would you guys, hop online if you could play this multiplayer online and play from home?
maybe depends on how much time I got.
I mean, it's definitely fun, but it's interesting to see whether it would stand
It's
up.
fun.
It's a really simple business game too,
Yeah.
because like
I mean,
Just play while
I
we talk.
think-
We don't got long.
yeah.
I would have been attracted to this when if I was younger.
Uh huh.
Like right now, obviously there are other games that I enjoy.
But if given a chance to play this in math class.
Oh, most definitely. If I had a choice to play this in math class,
I would definitely do it. Play.
yeah.
And you were saying 3rd, 2nd grade. Anything you would do to really up the ante to make it, either better for that grade level or even more appropriate for, say, something you might want to play in a class in 8th grade. Like, how would you change the game? What would you suggest?
Well, I mean, in order to make it more of a game for older people, I'd say maybe you could like add more aspects into it. Oh wow! I made $3.55.
All right,
I
so
made
you're
a lot.
1064. Let's see.
He made $2.45, but
come
still not
on.
bad. Still not bad. And Altomash made $3, so I'm still
All
the
right.
richest.
So let's call it a wrap there for the video. I mean, just keep this up for a second. But do you think what other things do you think you would like to see either in a game like this, or what mechanics? Talk about the game mechanics a little bit.
Well,
It's
I like
simple. It's just typing, so like you can pick it up really easily no matter what age you are.
Graphics, well, there are no graphics.
Right.
Like,
But in game mechanics, in other words, how are you thinking about strategizing in the game? Like, what kind of different things do you have to take into account?
Oh, you take
no,
into
it's
account the money you're
expensive.
spending and the
Yeah.
money at most which you can.
the weather.
collect.
I think the weather is the most important part. Like what I did when I was playing, I ended up with like nearly $11. And thing is, what you have to pay attention to is how the weather is. So when it's cloudy, you're not gonna sell as much. So you got to be prepared for that. And the hotter and drier it is, the more people are gonna want your lemonade. So you have to like depend your prices and how much you make based off of that. So yeah.
And what would be a good equivalent for 8th grade? Like we were going to say, let us mod or make our own game that's going to be relevant to 8th graders, but take some of this mechanic and really, really bring it to life as a
Maybe
great game.
having to like
maybe keep the product the same, like the
have a
whole
lot
idea of the
more
lemonade.
Like
thing.
lemonade.
components other
Like
than
what?
just like maybe
Like
like
sugar,
you have
the
to
glass
go to the
itself.
store to
Buy.
like pick up something from the store and you're gonna get thirsty so you're gonna want to buy water or
Ha.
something like
Oh,
that.
so your other expenses, like in other words, staffing, right? Like if you're going to have
Yeah.
somebody
Yeah.
work at the lemonade stand, should they make money?
Right.
Or are you going to make more lemonade stands to have a little bit of a business where you have 3 lemonade stands instead of just one?
That's the thing. Like if they expanded the game and added a couple more components, I feel like the game would be really good.
Cool. Any final thoughts about it?
I think it's
Pretty
a
good
great
game so
game,
far.
but just a couple more extensions and it would be perfect. So it's
Okay.
fun. Thank
And-
you. Thanks for watching. And yeah.